Hi, welcome to this sleep hypnosis recording from me, Richard Nichols. Please ensure that you've carefully read the disclaimer that's on the screen now. You may need to press pause in order to read it before continuing. Also, it's important that you only use this recording when it's time to sleep and you can settle comfortably in your bed. If, while listening, your full attention is required for anything else, you will be able to wake immediately and deal with the situation effectively, just as you would from normal sleep. It's not a substitute for medical advice or therapy, so if you feel you need professional help, please consult your doctor or visit hypnotherapy.org.uk to find a member of the Brookhouse Hypnotherapy Group who will be able to help you personally. This hypnosis session is designed to help assist with the habit of holding tension in your facial muscles that so often leads to a grinding of the teeth, sometimes referred to as Bruxism. But as well as that, it can also help you to relax and drift off to sleep, either during the playing of the recording or soon after. Now then, if you haven't yet closed your eyes, you can do that right now. And for a little while, all you need to do is simply listen to my voice. Just listen to my voice now, and the other sounds around you may disappear or simply fade into a quiet background that you can ignore now, as the only thing you need to do is simply listen to my voice. Simply relax where you are and let my voice be your guide. Let my voice almost be your own thoughts, with no pressure to do anything, be anything other than just you. Just there, relaxing. Maybe you notice how you're breathing. Noticing maybe that you're beginning to breathe a little more slowly, methodically, so that with each breath you breathe, you start to become more and more relaxed now. That's it. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. And with each breath in, you feel more calm and relaxed. With each exhale, you let go of any frustration, any stress, breathing in calmness, and breathing out tension, in and out, in and out. As you breathe, you can begin to notice some relaxation happening in specific areas of your body. Noticing your toes all the way down there now. Even they are starting to soften and relax now. Starting to relax every muscle, every tendon, so that every fibre of your body starts relaxing now. That's it. Beginning right down in your toes and up through your feet, through your ankles, through your calves, up past your knees, through your thigh muscles, relaxing through your hips and your tummy muscles. Now even the tips of your fingers. Relaxing now through your hands and your arms, up past your elbows, through the tops of your arms and your chest muscles too now, past your shoulders and neck muscles, up through the throat relaxing your jaw and your face, so that everything becomes completely relaxed as you focus on my voice. Only my voice now. That's it. As you relax, you begin to drift a little. Maybe begin to feel almost sleepy, but maybe not quite. Calm and relaxed, but awake for now. As you begin to let go of all your worries, all your stresses, all your cares, as you listen to my voice, you can become very, very calm and softly relaxed. Your body may be feeling a little heavy as you almost drift to sleep now, or maybe lighter than air as you begin to let go of all your worries, letting go of all your stresses, all your cares, as you listen to my voice. Listening only to my voice as the outside world disappears further and further away. And even if you begin to fall to sleep, let my voice guide you into a wonderfully calm and tranquil state, letting go of everything you need to. That's it. Deeper and deeper into a wonderful state of mind and body that allows an unconscious learning to take place as you drift, as you rest. With each breath you feel further and further relaxed now. As you rest, as my voice guides you, know that you are safe. As you relax, as my voice can be your guide, my voice can be your thoughts. As you relax and let go. That's it. No outside worries, thoughts, stresses or cares can touch you in this moment. You are safe. You are comforted. You are calm. And even if you sleep, your unconscious mind is awake and listening. And for the next few moments, I'd like you to do something. I'd like you to breathe in a very particular way. As you continue to relax now, I'd like you to breathe in for the count of 4 and breathe out for the count of 6, so that with each slow, full breath, you'll be counting in 2, 3, 4, and then out 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And you can count at whatever rate is comfortable for you, just letting the out breath be a little longer than the in breath to really help your body begin to deeply relax now. And that's all you need to do. There's nothing else to do right now. Just simply breathe in for the count of 4 and then breathe out for the count of 6. That's it. No pressure, no worries, no expectations, just resting, relaxing and breathing now as you listen calmly to my voice. And you might notice, as you breathe in for 4 and out for 6, the way that your body just begins to relax even more with each breath you breathe. Perhaps your shoulders are beginning to loosen. Perhaps those facial muscles are beginning to soften. Maybe you were holding a lot of tension in your jaw that you didn't know was there. And you're now beginning to let it go. Letting go of whatever you were holding on to. So just keep breathing like this, naturally, and automatically now, you'll find that the numbers you were counting can disappear away as you breathe slowly and steadily, so naturally as if you were simply falling to sleep. As I begin to talk to you about certain ways that you may find it useful to change now, because you may have been holding a lot of tension inside your body that you are ready to start to let go of now. Maybe you've been holding on to a lot of things that you're ready to let go of now. Who knows quite why, but your body has been tight in certain places. Maybe your jaw, maybe your whole face, maybe other areas in your body too. Tension inside of you that seemed like the right thing to do. Maybe you consciously know why, maybe only unconsciously. But a part of you knows why you've been so tense. And it's been affecting your jaw, making you bite down or grind your teeth. There would have been a reason. Maybe you've been walking on eggshells. Maybe you've been worried about what people think. There are many reasons why the fight or flight response can kick in and make us emotional, angry or anxious, frustrated or scared. And no matter how confident or in control of our life we might be, it's still an instinct inside all of us to be prepared for something that might be coming around the corner, to tighten up and get ready. And if that becomes a habit, then areas of your body can feel tight and tense long after any worries, concerns or expectations have gone. And if this is the case with you, then your unconscious mind can know now. It's safe to let it go now. It's a good time, a safe time, now, to leave that old habit behind, is it not? To move on from it for good now, yes? Yes. Because you want to. Because any slight benefit in being tense, of being tight just in case of trouble, is far, far overshadowed by the negatives that could be done to your teeth and your muscles. You deserve to be healthy every day. You may clean your teeth, maintain them, visit the dentist regularly to make sure they're healthy, because they're so important to you consciously. Well, you can look after them unconsciously too, even whilst you sleep. like something precious, something that you'd hold but never crush. I'm reminded of the ancient monuments dotted around the world, places that are so well trodden over so many years that they need protecting. Those endless footsteps over thousands of years, never meant to do any harm. Everyone meant well, and only came to admire and appreciate those places. Yet, bit by bit, they became damaged, and now they are protected. Now, the only time those places might be worn down is with very careful consideration and for specific reasons. Just like what can happen now with your jaw and your teeth. You can maintain them. Maintain the muscles in your jaw. Let them rest whilst you sleep. Maintain your teeth. Give them space. Day and night. Day and night now. Your whole face can rest. If ever you find that you begin to hold tension in those muscles, you'll suddenly become so very aware of it before things get tight that you can prevent it, because you're more in tune with your body now, more aware of any tension, so that when you notice it, it becomes so easy to simply tell those muscles to relax now. Relax now. That's it. That's exactly what you'll say, and exactly what you'll do. Relax now. And you will. The cheeks, the jaw, even those muscles around your eyebrows and in your forehead. You'll simply remember to relax now. And you will. Because you want to. You'll be good to your body, your muscles, your teeth. You'll protect and maintain your muscles, especially in the jaw. But all those muscles can already begin to feel easier, softer. There can already begin to be some relief now. Relief to the joints behind the ears. They can already feel more at ease. All the muscles in your head can continue to relax even more. The muscles around the temples, across the top of your head, everything relaxing and releasing completely, giving you more space between your teeth, night and day now, and more peace and ease in the mind, a peace of mind, night and day, so that you naturally find that you can sleep so deeply and peacefully, night after night, relaxing your muscles, letting those jaw muscles simply relax as you drift off to sleep. And they will continue to stay relaxed as you sleep through the night, even as you relax into a deep, deep sleep. Those jaw muscles will continue to relax as you dream, so that you can wake up each morning with not only a relaxed jaw, but also a deep sense of well-being that allows you to handle whatever the world can throw at you in a calm and confident way. Now, if you're listening to this in bed and you'd like to go to sleep now, you can. Just allow the recording to come to an end and let yourself drift off now into a wonderfully calm and relaxing deep sleep. Good night.